بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ ترجمہ اللہ کے نام سے شروع جو نہایت مہربان رحمت والا ہے۔ You are watching دل سے باتیں 454 where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. The Wise Old Man, complete story. In a village, people used to argue over small matters. There lived a wise and elderly man whom everyone respected. One day, the villagers went to him and said, "We are always fighting with each other. We want peace." The old man gathered everyone and said, "If you listen to and understand one another, you will never fight. Patience is the true path to peace." The villagers followed his advice, and peace was established in the village forever. Moral: true peace comes through wisdom and patience. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You were watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. We'll meet again with another heartfelt story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.